Hi Millennial Nation, it's me Milena Knives, and today we are going to be doing a review on this PUR palette. I got this one in my box charm. It is the Midnight Masquerade Face palette. It is pretty small, and as you can see here, this is what we are going to be reviewing. The back is pretty simple, but when you open it, it looks a little basic, being completely honest. We have 4 shades over here. So I'm assuming it's kind of like the highlight shade. This is like the bronzer shade, and these two are like blushes. And then we have our eyeshadows over here. I don't know if anyone else has said that in their review, but yeah, they smell pretty good. So here is the shade right here. This is really pretty. And that was with one swipe. Okay, and now we're going to try this blush shade right here. It's like a plum color. It's really pretty. Okay, clean finger. I'm going in this shade, like this highlighting shade. That is really pretty. And the blush shade. So Expose, Sneak Peek, Showtime. Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. That's really pretty. So here are all the shades. Now, so final thoughts on the palette. I feel like the packaging is really pretty. I felt like the inside looked kind of basic. Like if I saw this in stores, I probably wouldn't pick it up and be like super interested in it. But once you get to swatching, I feel like the colors do come out really pretty, and I actually really like it now. So I am actually wearing these 2 shades on my face right now. I'm wearing this pinkish blush shade, and then I'm also used this bronzing shade on my face. And it's actually it's pretty. Now, I do have to say the bronzer was just a little bit more difficult to blend out. The highlighter that I am using is not the one from this palette. It is actually this Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter. And on top of that, I used the shade Pearl from the Violet Voss palette. And so there is. Okay, so you guys let me know what you guys think about this palette. Do you think it's rather on the basic side, or do you think it's something that you would find yourself reaching for every day? So let me know. See you guys in the next video. Bye.